Today we're with Restore Your Floor here. We're basing a job. This is a typical Long Beach apartment duplex. We've refinished all the floors. Floors are in pretty good shape here now. And we're just about to put the molding on. We're here with Restore Your Floor TV. And here we have a technician that's installing the baseboards as we speak. And that's a pretty nice finished look there compared to what it was before. And this is installing baseboards. It's just something that we recommend to our customers strongly because it just gives it kind of a framed in, finished look. Hides the gap. What you're doing is you're hiding the gap that would be up against the wall between the flooring and the wall, which is in this case I believe this is plaster walls here. And this is the color of the floor here would be natural. This is just an oil-based clear. We have currently 3 coats on the floor right now, and probably going to put one more just for good measure.